begin with welcoming our guests, and I request our students to offer flowers and some books of J. Krishnamurti. I'm going to take that.
And it was only appropriate that this function is held in a school or college environment. And what could have been a better place than Rajbhat Sunday School? So we are very happy that we are here for this function. On behalf of INSA local chapter and on my personal behalf, let me extend a very warm welcome to all of you to this function. Now, as Professor Krishna has already mentioned to you, this function is organized to present the award to Professor Trivedi, and this award is called Indira Gandhi Prize for Popularization of Science. It was established by Indian National Science Academy in the year 1986, and initially it was given every 2 years, but since 2008 it has been made once in 3 years. This award has been given to some very eminent personalities. Maybe some of you might have heard a few names, like Professor Yaspal, who comes often on television, on science quizzes and so on. Professor J.B. Nagikar, the famous astrophysicist, and Professor V.G. Bhide, Professor Krishna knows him very well. So, Professor Trivedi joins the lead receiving this award in popularization of science. He is one of my colleagues at the Institute of Technology, Banaras University, and he teaches physics to our engineering students, the BTech and MTech students. And it's my pleasure to request Professor Trivedi to deliver his award lecture. His lecture would be on what makes sun shine. And you will have an opportunity to see some very beautiful and colorful slides. I hope you will enjoy those slides. Besides the actual delivery. Before I request Professor Trivedi, let me also tell you that after his lecture is delivered, the custom is that after that I will read the citation for this award, and then this will be followed by the actual prize giving ceremony. With a vote of thanks finally. Okay. So I request Professor Trivedi to give his award lecture.
Professor Ramakrishnan, respected Professor P. Krishna, who had been most beloved teacher in my life and career. Professor Dhananjay Pandey, entire colleagues of this school, all friends, media, and before I formally begin my talk, may I have the pleasure of requesting Professor T.V. Ramakrishnan to push the button of a very brief movie on when the sun smiles at the Ganges, and then the formal lecture will follow. This film I have substantially reduced to only less than 12 minutes. This film is less than 12 minutes. But the title is When the Sun Smiles at the Ganges. May I take the liberty of requesting Professor Krishna to kindly, Professor Krishna, Professor Ramakrishnan. नहीं सर, दिस इज
खाली बटन दबाना है,
मूवी
प्रेस कर उसी की फोटो रहती है। Double kill.
एक बार और।
Very good.
Awarded once in every 3 years for outstanding work done on popularization of science in any Indian language, including English. The prize for the year 2011 has been awarded to Professor B.N. Dwivedi, Professor and ex-head Department of Applied Physics, Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University, jointly with Professor Bhiman Nath, Associate Professor at Raman Research Institute, Bangalore. Professor Dwivedi is a steady and prominent popularizer of science in the Indian media. He is unique in India in that he does this simultaneously at the best international, national and regional levels. He communicates the excitement, mystery and rational power of this part, that is physics, especially astrophysics and solar physics of science authentically and directly. This is possible because he is an internationally active professional scientist, a natural teacher and has an infectious enthusiasm for this subject. He has published more than 70 full-length articles in Scientific American, very prestigious, Astronomy Now, Scientific American, India, Current Science, Resonance, Science Reporter, etc. In addition to giving talks and presentations for schools and college children, like the one here, during the last 5 years, and reporting scientific developments in the leading newspapers, for example, Times of India, Hindustan Times, English edition, and Dainik Jagran, Hindustan in Hindi, thereby reaching out to millions of people. In a major effort to motivate young minds in colleges and universities towards space science, Professor Dwivedi with Dr. Udit Narayan organized a national workshop. Consequently, a pedagogical, updated, modern view of physics of the sun and its atmosphere in the form of book has been published in 2008 by World Scientific Singapore. On the eclipse day, July 22-22nd, 2009, he observed the sun from an eclipse science camp at the Samne Ghat in Varanasi. This event was a grand success, educating people on the celestial event through interaction and also through print and television media. Professor Dwivedi is a member of International Astronomical Union, IAU, Astronomical Society of India, and Fellow of the Royal Astronomical Society. He is a recipient of National Award of Rs 1 lakh for outstanding efforts in science and technology communication through books and magazines for 2005. He is also a recipient of 2004 Award for Popular Writing on Solar Physics. This is by American Astronomical Society, Solar Physics Division, MPAE Gold Pin Award, Max Planck Institute for Aeronomy. This is an MPA Gold Pin Award in 1999. He has been lecturer in applied physics during 1981 to 1998, reader in applied physics from 98 onwards till 2006, and professor of applied physics 2006 onwards, all at Department of Applied Physics, Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. May I now request Professor D. Ramakrishnan and Professor P. Krishna to please come on and give away the awards.
हाँ बिल्कुल दिखेगा आप फोटो
Just say one more.
अरे यार
So we have request you, this scientist and check.
Well, thank you very much for coming here and being here and listening to this talk. I am actually very happy that Professor B.N. Dwivedi has been awarded the Indira Gandhi Prize for the Popularization of Science for many reasons, some of which were read out in the citation. You see, the most fundamental reason is that popularization of science is an exceptionally important activity. See, for two reasons. One is that we live in an age is dominated by science, and unfortunately in many parts of the world, including this part and maybe many other parts of the world, we live in an area which is dominated by the lack of understanding of science, though it dominates all our daily lives. And therefore, someone who is actually a practicing scientist and who also devotes his time to expose this science, to go to the people who actually are both victims and future participants in this activity of science, that person has to be recognized. His work, his time, his efforts have to be recognized. And in this way, I feel that Professor Dwivedi has made an exceptional effort over several decades in communicating his interest in science, communicating the reality. You saw his lecture. You know, it appeared very disjointed. It appeared that he is showing one picture, he is showing another picture, he is showing a third picture, one is in this color, one is in that color. And why is all that? That is because that is how nature looks to us from different points of view. The sun is an object which is very far away. All we know is that we need it. Without it, we will all be dead. But what is it? In order to find out what it is, we have to photograph it with helium light, we have to photograph it with some other light, we have to find out whether it emits X-rays, whether it emits, whether the lines coming from it are from iron, which is ionized 9 times, 9 electrons have left that an atom or not. And finally, we have to find out whether neutrinos, the most elusive of particles, about which the discoverer said that at last I have postulated a particle which cannot be detected. So that neutrino is now a messenger of what is happening inside the core of the sun. So he has brought all of this to our reach, and therefore I am extremely happy that this event is being recognized, and I am even more happy that this event is being recognized in a place which is natural for it, namely this. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Ramakrishnan. I think the function is now coming to an end, and it's my present duty to propose a vote of thanks. It will be followed by Mr. Hamid from Besant School. At the outset, I'd like to thank Professor Dwivedi for choosing Varanasi chapter of INSA for delivering this lecture. This gave us the opportunity to hold this function here. He could have delivered this lecture anywhere in any chapter in the country. So we are thankful to you, Dr. Dwivedi, for choosing this, and my congratulations to you for this signal recognition. I think many of you would like to join me in congratulating Professor Dwivedi for this great